Come with me on a search and recovery dive and let's go see if we can find this missing item. I told the gentleman I would be there at 2, so I've got like 20 minutes. I did my hair, got my bathing suit on, got all my search gear in my car, and now I need to fuel. I've got my top side support on the way, and I'm gonna go hop in, see if I can find it.
I grabbed one of this.
Okay, what am I looking for? Fall in, straight down?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
I'm gonna go grab my dive gear. Drop something off. Oh, it's stinky. Oh, is it? I was like, it smells. Over here. All right, we're looking for a part of a steering wheel that fell off one of these boats. I'll be back in like 10 minutes if I don't find it right away.
Oh, holy. There's a holy stop.
Alright, take 2. Water's super warm, so I took off my gloves and my hooded vest.
Alright, okay. Is that it? I don't know if that's it. I don't know. This is it. So, we're gonna go ask.
Lake patrol right there? I don't know if this is it. May or may not be it. No, it looks like it's black. I don't know. It looked like the shape of it though.
Water is so warm. It's literally 82 degrees. Okay.
There's only 5 feet right here. We had a successful search and recovery mission. Bro. It's stinky, I told you. I need to wash my gear after this. Well, very successful. I don't know what this is for, but we found it. The water is the same temperature as the air.